Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a strawberry mango smoothie. So I'm going to start off by showing the ingredients. First, you're going to need 1.5 cups of diced frozen mangoes. You're also going to need about 8 pieces of medium-sized strawberries that are also frozen. And then you're going to need 1 banana, half a cup of sugar, about 10 ounces of water, and 2 cups of nectar mango juice. I purchased at my local Walmart, and you could probably find it in the international aisle. Now we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so in a blender, you're going to go ahead and add your 1.5 cups of frozen mango, and then you're going to be adding the strawberries, the banana, the sugar, and then the nectar mango juice and the water. Just going to go ahead and blend it on a medium speed for about 30 seconds or until it's completely smooth, and then it'll be ready to serve.